Okay, so there's a couple of ways that you could, move people between products, between product A and product B. And so this is one way of doing it. I don't know how your sales process is. I'm just going to guess here, but this is a product, right? And there's quite a few, modules here, or sorry, modules and lessons. But for argument's sake, I don't know when or how you want this to happen, but there's a couple of ways. So let's say, for instance, that you want someone to go through, the module, and then by the end of of the last lesson, they get access to, the upgraded product or whatever. So you go into this last post, and at the bottom you'll see the automations, and then at that point you can click automation and say and it automatically says post is completed. What do you want to happen? You say grant this offer. Okay, so I'm going to get to the offer in a second. Basically, you're going to create an offer, but it's a draft offer. So if I do this, right, if I say grant offer, you will see here that I've got all my offers. I'm just going to type in test because that's what I called it, test, and there it is. So this one I just set for free. It doesn't really matter, but that's the offer that they're going to get, which grants them to the new product, right? But nobody can see this because it is a draft offer. All right, so that's the key, is to create a draft offer because you said you didn't want anybody to be able to buy it, right? That's one way of doing it. Now, you could also go back. Let me go back to my product here. And let's say you have an assessment. So they go through the, however many modules or lessons, and then they come to an assessment. And it could be a very short assessment or whatever you want, and they answer the question. And then at this point, they also get the same, it's the same thing. When this post is complete, they'll get granted to the offer. And then again, that's going to be let me be able to type right. There's the test, and they get access to that. This is cool because in this assessment, you could say, "Hey, congratulations, you've been upgraded to XYZ. Click this button or answer this one question or whatever it is," and you can get a little bit of feedback. You can say, "What did you think of it?" Or you can do anything you want. So this might be even a better choice for you, just to get some feedback from your audience and to get some engagement, and then it grants them that offer. Okay, now let's go look at. Let me look at the offer. Yeah, so there is my test offer right there. And you can see that it's not open. Well, I'll edit it and I'll show you this. So there's the offer, and it's in draft mode. And then you can put in whatever, I'm sure you know how to make an offer. But that is how you would do it in this instance. Hopefully this will work for you. If not, let me know and we can try to figure something else out.